going to show you how easy it is to do hydrocarbon combustion using structural formulas, which you don't begin to grade 11, but I taught myself in grade 7 with a really cool chemistry book I found in the library. And those early chemistry sets that they used to sell that you would go to jail for now, and I survived. But when I finally did read the chemistry manual after I ran out of the actual chemicals, I learned a lot. And this structural stuff is dead easy. So this is called ethane. Methane is just one side. So here's a pair of oxygens. They always show up as O2. And the oxygens are like these evil little twins, ghost twins that show up in the shining. They're like, come play with us. So the little evil O2 sisters there are looking at these boys going, we shall make havoc with their lives. Now, what formulas do you know you can create using hydrogen and carbon? Well, most kids already know of this formula, H2O. All right, let me get a little bit bigger here. Go to that size. And of course, we write H2O like that. And what does that say? It's saying two hydrogens can bond to one oxygen. Well, let's see how many times we can do that. If one of the oxygen sisters here, she goes, I shall have these two children right here. They are mine. Well, now she's bonded up to these two guys. They're done for. They've now been burned off. The other sister comes in and goes, not that. Then I shall have these two, sister. And she bonds with these two. Then we still need some more oxygen. So another oxygen twin comes in. And she goes, but I see these two children here. I shall take them, play with them, break them, for it is what I like to do to men. And she gets those. Now all we're left with is carbon in the middle. But you know a formula for carbon already, CO2. You're kind of like breathing it out all the time. So this one's backwards. This one takes two oxygens for every carbon. So I'm going to clear this out of the way a little bit. Let's expose our carbons. And the girls now go, I'm going to get these out of the way. I'm going to move these successful water molecules now out of the way. And they go, oh, look, two other little boys. We shall destroy them completely for what Father did. And they're like this. And a set of oxygens goes here. There's one CO2, all nice and finished. And then the other sister comes here, the other pair, and they grab this one, and there's another CO2. So we were able to successfully destroy a methane molecule by simply pairing up an oxygen with hydrogens and making 1, 2, 3 waters and 2 carbon dioxides. And how many pairs of sisters did it take? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and a half. So there's still one really angry sister.